Welcome to my online course in Higher Algebra and Trigonometry. This paper consists of two parts. First part is Higher Algebra and second part is Trigonometry. Higher Algebra is named as higher because we have studied this after our school algebra, that is mensurations, mass formula, polynomial divisions, uh, theory of quadratic equation, etc. and etc. Evaluation of algebra is seen in ancient Babylon time, Greeks and ancient Egypt. In India, mathematics teaching was seen in Aryabhatta, Bhaskara II, and Brahmagupta, etc. and etc. For detail of the study of evaluation of algebra, you should go to the study of evaluation of mathematics in ancient, medieval, and modern India time. Okay, history of evaluation of mathematics in ancient, medieval, and modern India time. Okay, in higher algebra, we will discuss logic, proposition, theory of equations, theory of third degree equation, that is solution of third degree equation by Cardon's method. Then we will discuss Descartes rule of sign, and finally we will study the rank of a matrix in echelon form and canonical form. Then we will study the linear equations. Finally we end up the higher algebra by Gauss elimination method. For study of higher algebra is your unit 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 3 is for unit 3 half part in mathematical logic in SS first year textbook, NCERT textbook. So right, SS first year NCERT textbook. And for other part, remaining part, you should consider this book. Okay, Introduction to Logic by Patrick Suppis. Okay, then unit 4 unit 4 you will higher algebra, that is theory of equation, that is relations between root and coefficient, symmetric roots, solution of third degree equations, Cardon method, and Descartes rule of sign, that you will find in higher algebra by Khanna. Okay, higher algebra by Khanna. This book is not available with me. I have brought this book from library and returned it. It is available in our college library, in our department library and college library both. You should collect from them. Then unit 5 a textbook of matrices by Santi Narayanan. But this publisher is S. Okay, H. book. So next in part 2 we will discuss trigonometry. Trigonometry is a Greek word. Trigonometry Trigonometry is a Greek word. Trigonometry. Trigonometry. Tri means three, and no, bone means sides, and metry means measurement. Okay, measurement. Metry means measurement. Measurement. Actually, this is sometimes pronounced as metron. Okay, I'm writing her metric. So this is measurement. In short, trigonometry is the study between relations between side and angles of a triangle. In trigonometry, there are two important angles. Two important angles. First is angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. 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 This is A I O elevation. And next is angle of depression. Depression. Angle of depression. Let me explain what is angle of elevation and depression. Suppose there is a person standing on a side of on a river side, one bank of a river, and there is a tree. There is a tree. There is a tree. Okay. A bird is sitting here. A bird is sitting here. Okay. And there is a crocodile. 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 This is crocodile. Suppose I'm not a good artist. So here the person is standing here and looking at this bird. At this bird. Okay. At this bird. Suppose your bird is here. Okay. Then if I draw a horizontal line from his height to this tree, this angle made upward by the person with this bird is known as angle. This upward angle is known as angle of elevation. Okay, elevation, angle of elevation, angle of elevation. Okay, an angle made by the height with this crocodile, where that with this tree, angle made by the height with crocodile with this horizontal line is known as angle of depression. Angle of depression. These two are important concepts in studying trigonometry, that is angle of elevation and angle of depressions. The book required for the study of this trigonometry is textbook for study of trigonometry is BC Das and BN Mukherjee. BN Mukherjee. Mukherjee trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry. Trigonometry. Trigonometry by BN Das. BC Das and BN Mukherjee. Dharanson publisher. So you should follow this one. This book is also not available with me. I brought this from our library and returned it. So you can collect and study this one. Applications of trigonometry is seen in engineering. Trigonometry has wide applications in different branches of engineering, architectures, and physics, etc. Here we will study the paper in reverse order. That is, first we will study the higher algebra, but here I will study the unit 5 first. Okay, that is rank of a matrix. Then rank of a matrix, linear equations, Gauss elimination method, etc., which is available in the syllabus. Then I will study unit 4, Then I will study unit 3. Okay. After complete, that is reverse order. Then in trigonometry, trigonometry, I have no option to go in ascending order. That is unit 1, then unit 2. So in next class, in next lecture, I will discuss with you rank over matrix. With that, I would like to conclude. Remaining will be in the next lecture. Thank you.